Hello world! On Just Jared News, Megan Fox given birth, Machine Gun Kelly announced that he and the 38-year-old Jennifer's Body actress welcomed their first child together, a baby girl. She's finally here, our little celestial seed, March 27, 2025, the 34-year-old emo girl. Singer wrote on Instagram along with a video of himself holding the newborn's hand. As of right now, Megan and MGK have not revealed the baby's name. The pair got engaged in January 2022, called it quits at the end of November 2024, not long after announcing their baby on the way. Beautiful day to all! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!